Imagine a quiet neighborhood turned upside down by a scene no one expected. A man, and acting erratically, is running through the streets, shattering windows, and allegedly attacking his own family. This isn't just a disturbance call.
Report someone acting erratically on Wild River by the dog park. He is fully naked and just causing a disturbance.
It's a situation that's about to spiral out of control in seconds. The Yuba City police were flooded with 911 calls on the morning of February 26th.
He punched his sister. He broke through my front door.
How did he break through your front door?
He rammed it and then hit his head to it.
Hey, what's up, Holmes?
When officers Campos and Doble arrived, they found 31-year-old Guillermo Figueroa. At first, it looked like a quick arrest. Figueroa actually laid down and let them put one handcuff on. But the moment they went for the second, the switch flipped. Figueroa exploded into a struggle, tossing the officers off and ignoring every command. This is where things get incredibly dangerous. The officers tried everything to keep it non-lethal. They deployed tasers, but they didn't work.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! 41, 49.
Officers attempted to use less lethal options, including a taser and baton, to subdue the suspect and take him into custody, but both were ineffective.
Get on the ground! Stop! Get on the ground! Stop resisting! Roll over! 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 Get on the ground! No! Put it down! Put it down!
Once in the backyard, the suspect armed himself with a shovel and swung it at officers multiple times.
They used batons, but Figueroa just kept coming. The chase ended in a narrow backyard, and that's where the threat turned deadly. Figueroa grabbed a shovel and started swinging it like a weapon at the officers. With nowhere left to retreat,
as a result, an officer-involved shooting occurred. After the suspect was shot, he continued to fight with officers and was eventually taken into custody.
And their non-lethal tools failing, the officers were forced into a split-second decision.
You're gonna get shot again! I got cover. Do not move!
They fired their weapons to stop the attack. Even after being hit, Figueroa didn't give up immediately, but officers eventually secured him.
Stop moving! Stop moving! You're gonna get shot again! Stop moving! Shoot me already! Stop! Shoot me, please! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Stop! Stop! Give me your other hand! Give me your other hand! I got this one. You got that on? Cuff that hand. Cuff that hand. Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. I'm sorry. Cuff that hand. It's cuffed. He's cuffed. He's cuffed. He's cuffed. He's cuffed. We're still trying to get him cuffed. He's still fighting. Here. Relax. I got you. You got it? Okay. 41, 49. He's again cuffed.
After the suspect was taken into custody, the officers provided emergency medical aid to the suspect, and he was transported to an area hospital where he remains.
And stayed on the scene to perform life-saving CPR until the ambulance arrived. It's a chilling example of how fast a situation can change. In a matter of minutes, officers went from a naked man call to a life-or-death struggle, highlighting the intense pressure of police decision-making when every second counts.